Hello and welcome to another Wednesday. Oh, we're back to the delay again.
I tried to be delayed to fit in time with you, but it's been a long time. We need to get back in the flow of it.
Zoom Wind-Up Wednesdays. Yes.
They're back.
They are back indeed. Right. You keeping well?
Yeah, doing all right. I had a pretty good start to 2021. So, I mean, kind of. We're back in lockdown, which isn't great. But feeling more positive about this year than 2020. So, I mean, that's good. So
good. Yeah. I've got homeschool behind the screen that you can't see with my oldest. You know, we've got kind of the office getting ready to get set up. Working from home again. Woohoo, fun time.
Yeah.
Good. I've done my morning walk, so I'm good. Happy if I'm honest.
Yeah, I'm being a bit lazy. I'm not going for a walk every day, I'll be honest.
Just gotta get outside, Saffron.
No, I do, especially because we don't have any light in the flat. So,
Saffron, what are we doing today?
Okay, we are playing Cupcake Blaster. So we have a straw, we have some mugs, and we have some like empty cupcake holders. Cupcake? What are they called? Cupcake cases. Yeah, those things. And basically, using our straw, we have to get these into the cup. So first one to get all three into the cup wins. So I'm hoping I start off 2021 good and I win. That's the hope, guys. All other statistics say I probably won't, but I believe in myself. So let's go.
I think I'm the current champion. I think now. We'll find out.
I don't think so.
So we've got 1 minute. We'll see if we can get all three or who's got the most after a minute.
Yeah, okay. Let's do it.
In 3, 2, 1, let's go! Oh man, I nearly got one in.
Oh no.
Yes!
Ah! Oh, nearly got it. So difficult.
It is very hard. 15 seconds.
Oh dear. Come on.
Oh, and stop. Now, I don't know if you can see that, that's one there. I don't know if that counts. I have got two in the same cup.
Did you cheat? Because I didn't see.
I genuinely didn't cheat. I know it's not in a different cup, but I did get two in a cup.
Doesn't count.
Saffron, did you get any in a cup?
No.
Well, I definitely got one in a cup. But I also got the second one in the same cup. So, yeah, easy. I won that one, didn't I?
I think I need to start practicing them before we do them, so I can have a chance of winning.
Well, yeah, actually, I was going to say that's cheating, but actually, you need every help you can get, really, don't you? So,
one, that's rude, but two, that is not cheating. That is called being well prepared.
And just so you know, this is a straw.
Yeah, see, right, I have a bone to pick with this because mine is metal, so it can't bend at all, whereas he can bend his to get it in, to direct it into the cup. So I do think that's cheating.
It is a straw. It's the only straw I had. It's one of those where you put it into your glasses type.
Eco-friendly.
Eco-friendly.
Plastic.
Yeah, it's reusable. It's reusable. I'm not going to throw it away. But anyway, Saffron wins a win. I'm taking it. Start to 2021.
He's
Chris,
a cheater.
champion of Wind-Up Wednesday. Standard, really, innit? No surprise
Chris
there.
starts 2021 being a cheater.